Abusuya, Honorable Kennedy Akompue Japan. In Samoa, Okojina a year Western region Ekokan say, or 2 Abawi 31st of January 2026. Ewo Asen Dompem a central region area. Obebatakwa na obechire se oye bema no. Wei anam so Emma Ghana fo bi so ewo nsem on person on ka kire Honorable Kennedy Akompue Japan say ye ka bema ne de okotre betre. Enya bema ene dede bia no de na no eye pa amuchi omuso na Kennedy Akompue Japan eye disease a ewo NPP no say ehwe ne ye cure na kare was wetimi ye cure sa disease no ene say 31st of January be kire ne say party no nyane papa nyane maame ene na bidia e mama no party no eye nipa bi opese ojoin party ni bia no ewo right so opese ojoin nsemu bebre na kire se Ghana for that to dwa na sansami ekoso ewo TikTok live a omo kire se na Kennedy Akompue Japan empanyifo say why be atwa so yankasa why be atwa so na kire nsem ne de oba ka bi da chona Kennedy Akompue Japan a me na okase ne Ghana for kire se na Kennedy Akompue Japan onya bema ensin obia no nti no esusu kasa na me ma wabeti so we ensem a eye Ghana for NPP delegates any NPP members omo UK e da to dwa kire se na Kennedy Akompue Japan ehwe na no kase yenye sa ombe kire no busumi aduamu ebu ha ye Ghana nsem TV midin amaje so ne promise yenko tie nsem a Ghana for da to dwa ne bra ne wi a ya ba kire adwen ewo yankombra
they abranya oberesign but Honorable Japan could joke ye trouble politics and the shop or quarter qua sha some or kokaye you remember
your member 2028 one near ompene nyawa
you remember me to ba ba wi a me batakwa hwe enkwasiase we as a leader utibi ka de your campaign na MPP pay for nyina ye di ayo kwasiase me we MPP nowadays omo good party no ba them be say ye be come so be pay for be Jimmy about some me ka kire omo so omo Jimmy ki akwana this for line bi a o ka pay for be blebe e be ke come wa ye adwuma ni ye
ampa
ye be ko bia na mo Grassroots for me nyai omo ye pay for e na ma omo di Jimmy ese party no e na ma pay for be Jimmy e good party no Panyin bebre ni munyansa. Oma Jimmy, omo go NPP. Omo interest in doso. Ete Grassroots for. Ana do Honorable Japan kasa obi atimi kabi. Kennedy kasa.
Say onu na yi sika bo ampanimfo.
Oh, sika we.
NPP. Ese de Kennedy kasa obi akabi. Na yebe kabia bo say he me makwashi mu dotabo mi akwafa enkofo bi jimni yebe ka bo say yenyai me sa kwasi asem bi na ekoso party nim as a leadership phobia omu gu NPP she yes 3rd December party NCA and pay for yebehia ye dotabo mi picture film obia yedi enya kwasi asem o just kodua o besa wladi biebo adeta so di o picture be kan ho just kodua o besa contest general secretary adeta do picture be kan ho oh party ni gu ba so obia yedi NDC Jimmy obia timinka Nana uko mami ayi Jodi wa sunya is MP no NDC ni no wa wonu ne video bi okaye wo se na atosi and the man is sika ha a man is sika and see check compound what the quiet project way
or didn't want to friend Clement owusu masa muni mafutu a munko ngudam ko kancha kokko de se ni akoko nto omla fiu atem de ne ye de mo de mo nye steady wa ase hwala
truth of the matter ne MPP mpanyifo no Grassroots no omunya mama munya nsem hunu bia mu because e bra omo brain na no Grassroots ne de ba me nyi obi die mfim Kennedy Japan o Brian Champon ba omi o omunko for me Grassroots for ni na most of them so far wo party we nsa no pa enti se panyini bi a wo benya no ma bi a ebekwatia party we a party we ntimi ma power no eye grassroots against wo say nipa no sa na te say wo say ye enya ni Kennedy upon no na ba bia nipa ni free ball wodi nkwasem bi o monka ni kokora ne nkyere no and that's the problem when it comes to nipa bi a o person or pet downfall of the party ni dia wo se mo ni na mutimi bom na mo ka kyere nipa no na mo ka no kora kyere no and na say tape ontimi nkasa bi
Jewadi,
you kept quiet
and then
yes
answer. Aye, friend say by and persuade so bantama, persuade so aye. Kennedy team no, na ya yini lead sticker. Sticker back I can't sing be. Me wa bre pom pata say electoral area. Oba was say election you lose year 2024 no. The ode be se ba wumia bia no nim politics mu. Anya ba wumia na me lose ye. Aye Ghana 8 years obia funu party no e ka ho bi ena ma ye lusu ye
And they were live now. Are they?
meet you minya ko
onya ko no ka said
And they want to be light.
Ebi mo report
am say crofo report it
I'm reporting why they.
yes
well mo dey say they report no there
type why yes type
I'm reporting why
research sen semwa Ghana for more UK any Ghana for more Ghana has say edit to job so honorable Canadian compare with Japan you are not a man than anyone in the MPP as a political party no a political party ya omo gini pe bia emfa ho ne bia wo free eno nti se wadwen ya wo say this is the type of campaign I oba koye they are and they are ready to assure you say there is no way you are going to win the election on the 31st of January 2026. Now, I know very well that there are people are almost deceiving honorable Kennedy Akompwe Japan. They are the people are almost behind him and making him feel like all Ghanaians want him. But the honest truth is, nipa kituwa bi a omo abo we no omo kan baby sa otwi omo abo omo asesen wo baby and na deceive you say they actually want you. But Ghanaians as a whole, especially the voters are voting for the MPP based on their tradition, their ideology, and their principle. No? They don't actually like you. And this is the honest truth. Unless self-person will die down. What did I say? Unless person will die down. Because I've met a number of people na many omo edi nkomo. And from whatever they are saying, no, they don't like honorable Kennedy Akompwe Japan. They are not interested in you. They don't want to see you leading the country called Ghana because they see you to be someone want me and really a country like Ghana. You are not fit and you are not fit enough to become a president of the country. So these are some of the things it's something we should actually understand that this man is just doing everything that he is doing based on the hatred or for Dr. Bawumia. It is not just a person obey president. Say MPP party no. Because everything that he says and do shows that he doesn't have the MPP at heart anymore. Everything he is doing now no, is based on the hate Edima Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and MPP as a political party. This is the main reason behind everything as honorable Kennedy Akompwe Japan. And you and I know Ubedi Adansi here say what I'm saying is true. Nothing but the truth. And you say the truth shall always set you free. So the truth is the truth and the lie is the lie. But the truth is, honorable Kennedy Akompwe Japan is the problem of the new patriotic party. How the Ghana 17 within the promise. My main word in your comment section what you also think about what we all just discussed. Ghana 7 TV, ɛyɛ number 1 news platform a obenya de ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana ha sɛ. Subscribe to channel no ɛde ma yɛ wi ana watch the watching or comment section. But that's